Today, we will learn how to create a product search API for backend. First, let's open products controller.js file in backend controllers folder. Search the function named getProducts. Inside the try and catch block, we call product.find method to fetch products data. For some people are not familiar with those methods, it is from Mongo's npm package. You can check their documentation on mongos.js.com. Next step, let's create a new file named products.api.js inside the backend utils folder. Here we create a class named product.api. This class will have multiple methods, such as search, filter, pagination, limit, and sorting functions. All methods are in one place. It's easy for us to manage it. This class has two default parameters in constructor method. First one is query. Query is Mongo's model functions, such as product.found, products.foundById, etc. In product controller.js file, we use product.found methods to get all products. Second one is query string. When we search products, the API URL usually looks like this: \API \v1 \products. Question mark keyword equals value. Keyword equals value. This statement is query string. Next step, create a new method named search. Define a variable named keyword. Here we use conditional operator. If this .queryString.keyword is not empty, we will search name field by this keyword value. $regex lacks regular expression for Mongo's.js. Don't worry about it if we don't know what it means. Following by $options. Value I means case insensitive. Lowercase or uppercase does not matter. If this .queryString.keywords is empty value, it will return an empty object. Here we use console.log this key value as a reference. Next, we use spread operator to extract the keyword value into query.found methods. Then return this .query and query string values. Last step, module.expose product.api class. Go back to product controller.js file in backend controller folder. Inside getProducts function, comment out previous statement. Here we create a new product API class. Set query parameter equal to products.found method. Set query string parameter equal to request.query, which is keyword equals some value, following by search function. Then we call products.api.query to execute the query search. And don't forget to import product API from utils \products API file on the top. Now we have finished the product search API. Before we test in Postman, we need to add a few new products. Here I'm using MongoDB Compose program to manage the database. Let's duplicate a new record. Update the title. the name, add alien design baseball hat, and click Update. Here we have 4 records in total: 2 UFO t-shirts, 1 alien baseball hat. Let's test it in Postman. Today we have learned how to create a product search API. Next video we will add a new filter function API.